What is translation? Translation is the movement or slide of a figure along a straight line. To translate a shape, every point must move the same direction and the same distance. It's as simple as moving an object such as cake from one part of the counter to the other. In math, however, coordinate planes are often used instead. For instance, let's say I have triangle ABC with the coordinates A, 1, 1, B, 3, 4, and C, 5, 1. I want triangle A prime, B prime, C prime to be A prime, -2, -2, B prime, 0, -1, and C prime, 2, -2. For this to occur, I would have to have a translation of 3 units left and 4 units down. If I didn't know the coordinates of triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, and only had the translation instructions, then I could do one of two things. I can manually count 3 units left from each point in triangle ABC and then 4 units down. Or I could represent this translation with a coordinate rule. Coordinate rules are necessary when there are transformations of any kind that are on a scale too big to do by hand. A coordinate rule is x, y goes to x prime, y prime. This means that the coordinate points of x, y get mapped to another point whose coordinates are x prime, y prime. So you fill in each detail. Translations can also be described by vectors. A vector used in translation is known as free vectors. They're a set of parallel directed line segments. A vector is used to say how far on the x-axis and the y-axis the shape moved and is shown in angled brackets. The first place is represented by the x-axis and the second the y-axis. The same rules for coordinate rules apply here. The vector for the example problem is, in angled brackets, -3, -4.